Hello student, today we are going to learn history, chapter number 4, evolution. And in this lesson we will learn the concept of evolution and who discovered this theory of evolution and the stages of evolution of animals, and we will learn about apes. So kindly open your book, lesson number 4, history, evolution, page number 15. So let's start the lesson. See, we will learn about the concept of evolution. What is mean by evolution? We will learn first about that. Evolution, the meaning of this word, the meaning of evolution is gradual and continuous changes. What is the meaning of evolution? Evolution means changes. Which kind of changes? Changes which are not never stop, means continuous changes. So, evolution in the plant and animal world can be explained in following manner. Now, evolution means the changes. Whatever changes happen in plant and animal, that we can be explained in following manner. Now, see, in the process, first is in the process. So, first point is in the process of survival. Survival means what? To live. So by adapting means what? Adapting means changes, means that adjusts whatever changes happen in the environment. The capacity of that capacity to accept, to adjust these changes, that means adapting. So in the process of survival, by adapting to environmental changes, and certain internal physical changes occur in some animals of species. Species means what? The class, the group of animal, any specific animals group, and the class, that is called species, means category of the animals. So over a period of some time, these internal changes become inherited. Inherited means transfer from one generation to next generation. So inherited characteristics seen in the following generation. So according to the concept of the evolution, if any changes are seen in space, in some one kind of animal or one kind of birds, so if any changes are seen in the species of any animals, they also occur in their next species, means they transfer to their next generation. So according to this concept, if any changes, any physical changes are seen in the species of some animals, they also occur in their next generation. So let's move ahead. Thus a new species with characteristics different from original may be created. Such a species is usually a more evolved than a original one. Sometimes the original species dies out or become extinct. Extinct means out, gone, die. We cannot see that kind of animal again. If some species die, if some species extinct, we cannot see that animal again because they gone, they die, like dinosaur. Nowadays we cannot see dinosaur, no? Can we see the dinosaur nowadays? No, because dinosaur species is extinct, it's gone. We cannot see the dinosaur nowadays. We can see the dinosaurs only in movies and the cartoon networks and other program. So sometimes more than one species evolve from the original one. The first scientist, now see which scientist discovered the evolution concept? Charles Darwin. Underline this, Charles Darwin. This scientist discovered the concept of the evolution. So Charles Darwin, known as the father of theory of evolution. So keep this name in your mind. Charles Darwin was a father of theory of evolution. Charles Darwin discovered the concept of evolution, and according to him, if any changes are seen in the species of any animals, they also occur in their next generation. Now species which are capable, which are capable of adapting to environmental changes are able to survive, means those species, those animals, those species are capable to adjust the changes in the environment, no, they are able to survive. And those ones, means the ones that cannot capable to adapting the environmental changes, they become extinct in the process of evolution. Means those are capable to adjust the environmental changes, they able to survive, they able to live on the earth. And those are not able to adjust the changes, whatever changes happen in the environment, they become extinct, means they become die, they become gone out from the world. So in ancient times, no, there were many species of types of animals called dinosaur. Dinosaur we all are knowing, no, but in ancient times, in olden days, in ancient time, dinosaurs are there. Dinosaurs were there on the earth, and that they are very dangerous also. So dino is a Greek word. Dino means terrible, means horrible, and saurus means lizard, horrible lizard. Dinosaur looking like horrible lizard, terrible lizard. You can see the dinosaur over here, and these are the different types of dinosaur, means different species of the dinosaur. You can see here dinosaur species, different type of dinosaur were in ancient time, no, this kind of dinosaur were many species of this type of animals, and it is called dinosaur. So dino means terrible and saurus means lizard. It is together called terrible lizard, means dinosaur. It's very horrible and enormous. Now turn the page number 60. Come on this page. Look at now, see, some of these dinosaurs, no, were enormous in size, means very huge. Enormous means what? Very large in size. And it appeared that these species of enormous dinosaurs suddenly become extinct. This dinosaur, no, suddenly become dead. It's become suddenly extinct. Why this happened? Because of sudden natural disaster on the earth, like storm, then the earthquake. Due to this such kind of natural disaster in the environmental changes, it is believed to be responsible for their extinction. So due to natural disaster on the earth, it is believed that it causes to these species to for their extinction. Due to the natural disaster, they become extinct. And fossil of dinosaur with wings have been discovered. It is believed that some species of two-legged and winged dinosaur evolved into the birds. Now see, you can see the fossil, the skeletal fossil means what? The remaining skeletal of the animals and the plants, the remains of prehistoric animals and plants. You can see the skeletal of the winged dinosaur. Now you can see this, the reconstruct picture of dinosaur with wings. So there were winged dinosaur also on the earth in ancient India, in ancient time. So these also include, these species also were included in dinosaurs. So you can see the skeletal of this winged dinosaur, and you can see here the winged dinosaur, the physical feature of winged dinosaur. So let's move ahead.